Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you one of our trades. This is a 2022 Sea Hunt 30 Gamefish in immaculate condition. This boat was kept in a dry storage facility. Trailer was kept shortly or very close by. Obviously triple axle, magic tilt trailer, perfect for this boat. So let's go ahead and jump inside and check it out. All right, everyone, we're inside this 2022 Sea Hunt Gamefish 30. Right now we're sitting on the back. It has twin 300 Yamahas. It's got the nice white motors on the back right here. Stepping down in, we do have a nice cushion right there. Fish box, very large live well. I think this is a live well as well. Yep, live well right here. Live well right here. Rod holders across the back. We have the center rigger installed, 2 outriggers, VHF radio, twin Garmin displays, your twin binnacles right here. It's got the autopilot feature right here. Sea deck, some places in the boat. Nice little leaning post right here. Look at your helm area. You're fully enclosed. Have a nice little vent right there. JL Audio subwoofer and sound system was upgraded on this boat. Head compartment in here. Like I said, this boat is immaculate. They found a rusting screw on it and replaced it immediately. Nice little coffin box up front. Windlass anchor. This boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor. So if you wanted to add one 36 volt, you can do that. Here's another shot of the T-top right here. More of the boat. If you guys have any questions at all, call me, Billy Folks at MarineMax Houston. Oh yeah, there's a nice little door right there too. My number is 936-223-6770. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We'll see you on the water.